Now, good morning, students. Today we start chapter 5th, multiple and factors with LCM and HCF. Now, the class 4th. First, I will tell you what is multiple and what is factor. Multiple. When two or more numbers are multiplied, the product is called the multiple of each of those numbers. For example, 2 multiplied by 4. So 2 multiplied by 4 equal 2 into 4 equal to 4 is 8. 8 is the multiple of 2 and 4. Here we see here when 2 or more number. For first example, second example here 2 into 3 into 4 equal to 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24. Then 24 is the multiple of 2, 3 and 4. So when 2 or more number are multiplied, the product is called the multiple of each of those numbers. Now note. Next, factors. What is factor? When a number is divisible by another number exactly. When a number is divisible by another number exactly. Exactly means your remainder should be 0. So, leaving without remainder. So, number exactly without leaving a remainder, the divisor and quotient are said to be factors of the dividend. For example 20 divided by 4 equal answer is 6. So 4 is your divisor, 6 is your quotient and 24 is your dividend. So 4 and 6 is factors of 24. 4 and 6 is the factor of 24. Now in the exercise, first question number B. First question you can do yourself because in this question color the orange following by the leaves. So you can do it yourself. And question number B. Find the first 3 multiple of these numbers. So question number B. First number is 10. Then first in this question, first we write the first 3 multiple. 3 multiple, how we write the multiple? I told you here 2 into 4, 8 is the multiple of 2 and 4. So 10 multiple, first 3 number, first 1, 2 and third number. So first 10 multiplied by 1 equal 10 1 is 1, 10 multiplied by 2 equal 10 2 is 20, 10 multiplied by 3 equal 10 3 is 30. 11. Now the third question, 11 multiplied by 1 equal 11. This is the first multiple. 11 multiplied by 2. This is the second multiple, 22. 11 multiplied by 3 equal 33. This is the third multiple. Now 20 into 1 equal 20. First multiple. 20 multiplied by 2 equal second 40 is second multiple. And 20 into 3 equal 60. This is the third multiple. If we do the multiply by 20 into 6, so that is sixth number multiple. If we multiply by 20 into 7, so 140. 140 is the multiple of 20 and 7. But this is the seventh number of multiple. Why? Because we do the multiply by 7. So this is the seventh number multiple. And in the question is saying write the first 3 multiple. So first we do the multiply by 1, then 2, after 2 we multiply by the 3. So this is your answer. Now this question is here, students, completed. Now the next question, question number C. Now dear students, question number C. Write the first 5 multiple of these numbers. First 5 multiple. So we do the multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 8 multiply by 1 equal 8. 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32 and 8 5 is 40. Now the third question, 17 multiply by 1 equals 17, 17 2 is 34, 17 3 is 51, 17 4 is 68 and 17 5 is 85. Now the third question, 41 1 is 41, 41 2 is 82, 41 3 is 123, 41 4 is 164 and 41 5 is 205. These numbers are the multiple of 8, 17 and 41. These are multiples of first, second, third, fourth and fifth multiple. In question number D, write the first 3 multiple of the following number that are odd. In this question, we write all the multiples, but in this question also we write the multiple, but only we write in the solution we write the odd multiple. So first we write the multiple of 5 in the question. First question is 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. These are multiples, but in these multiples are some multiples are odd number and some multiples are even number. So which is odd number? In the ones place, if in ones place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these are odd number. So in here 5, here in ones place 5, here also in ones place 5. But in this question, here 0 and here 0. These two numbers are even number. But 5, 15 and 25 is a odd number. So odd multiple of 5 equal 5, 15 and 25. Same third question, 21, 42, 63, 84 and 105. How 21, 42 is comes here? 21 multiplied by 2 equal 42, 21 multiplied by 3 equal 63, 21 multiplied by 4 equal 84. So 21, 63 and 105 is a odd multiple. And third question, sixth question, 45, 90, 135, 180, 235. So 45, 135 and 235 is an odd multiple of 45. Now the next question, question number E. Yes, student, question number E. Question number E, write the first 3 multiple of the following number that are even. In the question number D, we write the odd multiple, and in the question number E, we write the even multiple. So first number is 9. First we write here the multiple of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. How will these numbers are comes? I told you 9 multiplied by 1 equal 9. 9 2 is 18. So in these numbers, in these multiples, which number is a even number? So 18, 36 and 54 are even numbers, because in ones place, what is even number? Even number in ones place 0, 2, 4, 8, 6, 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These numbers are even number. If in the any number, if in ones place these numbers are having, so that numbers is a even number. So here 8, 6 and 4. So 18, 36 and 54 is an even multiple. Third question, 24, 48, 72. these three numbers are also even number. So 24, 48 and 72 is an even number, even multiple. Now the question number 6, 81, 80 multiple of 81, 81, 162, 243, 324 and 405 and 486. But in these numbers 162, 324 and 486 are even number, even multiple. So the question number F, write the multiple of first number is 12 that are less than 60. We write here the multiple of 12, but all multiples less than 60. So 12 1 12, 12 2 24, 12 3 36, 12 4 48, 12 5 60, and 60 is in your given in your question. So only we write 12 4 48. Now the 15, question number second, 15 that are less than 50. Less than 50 means 15 1 15, 15 2 30, 15 3 45 and 15 4 60, and 60 is more than 50, so we write only 15 3 45. And 4, question number third, 4 we write here the multiple of 4, but that are greater than 40 but less than 60. So greater than 40, 10 4 40 and 11 4 44. So we write here 11 multiplied by 4 equal 44 and 12 multiplied by 4 equal 48 and less than 60. So less than 60. The third multiple is 52. So 44, 48 and third multiple is 52. This, and fourth multiple is 56. Now the question number G. Write true for true, write T for true and F for false in the 27 is a multiple of 4 false. 27 is the this is not a multiple of 4. So this statement is false. Question number 2, 35 is the multiple of 5. 5 7 35. So this statement is true. 49 is the multiple of 7. Yes, this statement is true. And 86 is the multiple of 8. False. This statement is false. 86 is not comes from the table of 8. 8 10 80, 11 8 88. And 86 is the middle of 10 8 80 and 11 8 88. Means 80 and 88. So dear students, this exercise is completed. Next time I will tell you exercise 5.2. Thank you.